Hello, and welcome to another 2-Minute Tuesday where I attempt to teach you a topic in 2 minutes or less. Today's video is an example of Epicor's built-in business process management system. This BPM feature allows you to add your own business logic to your ERP system tailored to your own needs. Our environment is configured so that average cost is the default cost method for any new parts created. This is fine for our purchase parts, but we would like our manufactured parts to be standard cost. We also want to be sure that the Sites tab is updated, as this is the value used by Epicor. Today's BPM will be a method directive, so we'll be opening Method Directive Maintenance and we'll search for the part business object. We'll be adding our logic to the update method within that business object. Here we'll create a new pre-processing directive because we want our logic to come before Epicor fires their update call. First, we'll add a condition that allows us to set when our logic will fire. We want to make this bit of logic active when a new part is changed from the default of purchased to manufactured. So we select the specified field has been changed from any to another condition, and then we fill in the blanks. Next, we'll go down to the Setters section and choose the Set Field Setter. This allows us to change the values of the record before Epicor saves it. We want to change the Cost Method field to S for Standard. Once that's complete, we can save and then close the designer. Then we can enable the directive and go test our logic. Now, when we change this purchase part with an average costing method to a manufactured part, the costing method changes to standard when we save our changes. This is a simple example of how you can create your own business logic within Epicor. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button. If you'd like to see more future content, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.